U MLA ka pinthor umkra bat nongyalam ka BJP ba heng ula ong ba ka party kadang don por ka babyang ban pinbana yu Kyrtong na ka binta ka Shillong Lok Sabha by election ban wan u hek ula ong ba ka BJP kan la ban pinbana yu Kyrtong hadu shwa ka arpo terik unailur kumta kamdon satya kanu kanu ka jipin slam ula pin shairu ba wala la kirpat yu ban yakhun ya gani ka election shiteng samoy hinre ula kinta namar ki weipat ki kam ki baude ban pindem Shushu uheng, ula pintip ba ula terwai ke Kyrteng jong UMLA ke South Shillong, ba Sanbor Shulai, Shaki nong yalam ke BJP hakari, hinre ula ong bakarai ba khadru ke dei jong ka party. Ula binram ba menu ba ke BJP ke jit kumu Kyrtong, ka party kan yang tili ban yakhunting hakadi ke election.
20th of November. So we have a very right time to declare our candidates, BJP candidates.
Why are you opting out of the race? Are you there?
See, at the beginning, of course, they had told me to contest for this by-election, but I said that I'm still in one to have so many other responsibility to complete. That's why I'm not going to contest. So, but now depend on the party what decision they will take.
Your minister will be there contesting. Sanbor Kum.
I have proposed this thing. Let's see whatever the national party feel fit to declare whose name to contest. So we have to accept, and we are going to fight very strongly.
But the delay.
Yes, have still another maybe 5-6 months to have the elections. Not delay. So 3 months is, I think 3-4 months is good enough to prepare for the by-elections. I'm not talking about the general election, but at least the by-election.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.